If you run a small shop, chances are your account still looks like this: a notebook, a pen, and a calculator. Every sale written manually, every expense recorded on paper. But here is the problem: when the notebook gets lost, the entire business history disappears. Today, I will show you 5 free digital tools that can help any local shop owner move from notebook accounting to digital using just a phone and a computer. Let's dive in. Notebook accounting may feel simple, but it makes it very hard to answer important business questions like: how much profit did I make this month? Which products are selling the most? Which customers still owe me money? Digital accounting tools help you track sales, expenses, inventory, and profits automatically. And the best part, many of these tools are free. Let's start with one of the most powerful options. The first tool is Zoho Books. This is a complete cloud accounting system designed for small businesses. With Zoho Books, a shop owner can record daily expenses, track expenses, send invoices to customers, and monitor profit and loss reports. The platform is also mobile friendly, meaning you can manage your shop finances directly from your smartphone. For many small businesses, Zoho Books becomes the first step into professional digital accounting. The second is Wave Accounting. Wave is especially popular with small business and freelancers. It allows you to track income and expenses, track professional invoices, generate financial reports, and monitor cash flow. Wave is known for being very simple to use, which makes it ideal for business owners who are just starting their digital journey. The next is Manager.io. This is a powerful free accounting software that works both offline and online. This makes it particularly very useful in areas where internet access may not always be reliable. With Manager.io, you can record transactions, manage invoices, track inventory, generate accounting reports. It's a surprisingly very powerful tool and it's completely free. The fourth is Odoo Accounting. Odoo is actually part of a larger business management platform. That means accounting can connect with inventory management, sales systems, customer management, business operations. For a shop owner planning to grow into a bigger business, Odoo can be complete digital management software. Final tool is ZipBooks. ZipBooks focus on clean accounting for small businesses. With ZipBooks, you can send invoices, track expenses, monitor financial performance, and generate simple reports. Its interface is very easy to understand, making it a good choice for shop owners who want something lightweight and straightforward. If you currently use Notebook for accounting, the transition doesn't have to be complicated. Start with simple steps. Record daily sales digitally, add expense tracking, track customers' payments and debts. Within a few weeks, you'll begin to see your business in a completely new way. Instead of guessing your profits, you'll know them. Moving from notebook accounting to digital is not about becoming a tech expert. It's about giving your business better visibility, better control, better opportunity for growth. And today, with free tools available, any shop owner can do it. If you find this very helpful, share this video with any shop owner you know and it could be of help to them. And for more insights on business innovation and technology, don't forget to subscribe to our channel because the future of small business is digital and it starts with the simple steps. See you in the next one. I am Taufik Fagimi.